There's a saying here that says you just don't get a chance in your lifetime to build a B-17.
But volunteers at the Champaign Aviation Museum in Urbana, Ohio do. And Steve Posley can't think of anything else he'd rather do with his retirement.
So I consider it a real honor to be able to contribute to building something that will last many years past my time and be a living memorial to those men in World War II. That's the draw.
The museum is rebuilding B-17 Champaign Lady. The project has been going on since 2005, and it is really taking shape.
This we had to make here because whatever, when this wing came in, that tube was corroded or cracked or something. But on the tubes that are solid, these are the ones that were made back in the 40s, and we reused them. So this is a U-shaped. We've taken two U's and put them together and riveted to approximate the square tube.
But the museum is much more than the B-17 restoration. They have a functional link trainer. Mrs. CFI over here putting the rest of us to shame. Thanks, Alyssa. But they have many other airplanes, including B-25 Champaign Gal and a B-17 ball turret right in the entrance. That one is all you, Eric.
Yep.
We're going to close the latch on you.
Yep.
Be sure to check out our video where we each got to learn how to rivet using period-accurate techniques. Find it at the link above. And go check out the museum yourself. Check in on the AOPA app and pilot passport.
Bam. Nice.
The museum is part of the National Aviation Heritage Area. That's a collection of historic aviation sites around Dayton, Ohio, where you can learn a lot about the history of flight. Also, go get some pie at the restaurant while you're there in the field. It's one of the top fly-in restaurants in the country, in my very biased opinion.
Excuse me, I'm at church right now.
That's good pie.
In Urbana, Ohio, Sierra Harrop, AOPA pilot.